like this right? Yeah. Me too.
There's no time to lose. Off you go. To the droids. Now, this is Alpha C2.
You gonna take a nap? Keep going.
Please pay attention to the following safety information. When the automatic doors are open, please proceed directly across the ramp into the hangar. Continue to move all the way across your body, clearing every available seat. Galactic regulations require that all carry-on items be safely stowed beneath your seats. To fasten your restraint, use the arrow strap to hold the belt out of the front side of the seat and snap the belt to buckle on your lap. For your safety, remain seated with your restraints.
And I'll put it under.
I like you.
We'll get them on the other side, honey. I wonder who the rebel's gonna be this time.
Any Star Tours flight. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask a Star Tours agent. You'll be boarding in just a few moments. Thank you.
Startours 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401? That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429.
Wait! R2D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Oh,
Don't shout.
prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I am
We
C3PO.
know you have this rebel spy on board.
I've been selected for
Don't underestimate my power. I'm not that spy.
Are they moving?
Startours, this is a restricted area. What are you doing here?
I have no idea.
Stay clear of the combat zone.
What's that, sir?
We can no longer stand in the shadows. We need your help.
Normally, I would gladly be of service.
Enter the coordinates I'm transmitting to you. This mission is dangerous. Be strong and courageous. This is the way. Step out.
We've been picking up some strange readings. Stay close. Oh dear! We're under attack! Alert startours! Use them on your own now! On our own? And I thought I hated space travel! What do you mean we broke your ship? You broke our viewport! And I did not give you permission to come aboard. So sorry for the inconvenience. We hope you enjoyed your fight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit door. You may then unlatch your safety concerns by pressing the release button on your left. Be sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Goodbye.